Okay, I decided to shoot this as a video because it works so quickly. And this is a mixture: 1 teaspoon salt, 3 teaspoons flour, and enough vinegar, white vinegar in this case, to make it into a paste. And this is just a regular old Revereware copper pot. And you can see I haven't even got it spread on here yet, and just how quickly it works. And as you can see, I haven't even finished getting it completely covered. And it's basically done. You can see the rings from the electric burner where it's more tarnished. But literally, I mean, this video is on 1 minute 30 seconds long, and I normally would let it stay on it for a while, but just for fun. There you go. I'm going to let this run to 2 minutes just for GP, but you can see it's already done. I'm going to put another layer on here and let it dry for fun.